What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Money Plug, where we explore how to thrive in the new economy of AI and crypto. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking shift, the fusion of AI and crypto, and how it's paving the way for a new wave of wealth. Let's jump right in. AI is revolutionizing everything, from automation to investing. But here's the kicker. The future of AI is going decentralized, and that's where crypto steps in. Projects like Render, Bittensor, and SingularityNET are connecting AI with blockchain, allowing anyone to contribute and earn crypto. This is a total game changer. The AI economy is becoming a community-driven powerhouse. Take Bittensor, for instance. It's like the brain of blockchain AI, where anyone can plug in and earn rewards based on their contributions. Then there's Render, enabling decentralized GPU rendering, a game changer for AI training and 3D production. Instead of relying on big corporations, you can rent GPUs from a global network, gaining efficiency and freedom. And let's not forget SingularityNET, creating an open marketplace for AI services to trade value seamlessly through blockchain. Imagine a world where your AI tools earn you crypto just for participating. That's the new digital economy taking shape. AI brings intelligence, crypto brings ownership, and together they unlock financial freedom. This is the pattern we've seen with every major tech shift. Those who get in early reap the rewards. Just like the internet boom in the late 90s, or Bitcoin's rise in 2013. The AI crypto crossover is the next big thing, and the opportunity is still here. So whether you're trading, investing, or building, keep your eyes on this merge. It's set to redefine wealth for the next decade. If this insight resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and join our $250 giveaway by commenting AI below. This is Online Money Plug, helping you build wealth smarter, faster, and earlier than the rest. See you in the next video.